Hi everyone, I am Brinkela, project manager at Agile Robots.
My name is Cătălin Banchov. I am the team lead of the mechanics team here by Agile Robots, which is a company from Munich, Germany.
Our team is specialized in designing and building cutting-edge robotic solutions. So for me as a project manager, managing such complex projects require thorough planning, collaboration and real-time updates.
Over the past 4 years that I've worked here, we have understood that we need to improve our documentation, project management, and for this reason we have got the 3D Experience platform.
So I'd like to share with you today my daily work in project management in 3D Experience platform. Based on our previous meeting, I have updated most of the activities on the mechanics side. And since the core component selection activity is close to an end, I think it's time to start talking a bit more into more details for the drive unit design. We should start next days. So for the drive unit design, I have taken the design consultation documents, which we
That's good.
Yeah, which we discussed with our team. So it's here. Everything is written there, so everyone can take a look.
So maybe you can define some tests for this.
You said simulations?
Yes, simulation and tolerance calculation.
Right-clicking to create a new subtask here.
So I would assign it just to Alexei for now. Duration, I think this is definitely going to be around 3 weeks.
I'm going to the comment section here. I will tag Alexei.
So then we also had calculations. Yeah, you can assign it to Laurence.
In order to start the calculations, we need to finish the CAD detailing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm adding the dependency here.
Then we go for the CAD detailing and maybe saying high priority, so the team knows what to focus on. What you will find in here is a library where you can classify your parts and components as well as documents in certain cases. But for us today, we have a bunch of classes that I already have created here. So inside the actuators and then electric motors, we can see already a bunch of attributes in here, and by going on the right side here, we can add either an existing attributes or create new ones by clicking on the icon here. In this case, I would like to create a new one, and I can go under the new attribute, and there's a bunch of options here from string, intercar, so on. But one interesting one is attribute with dimensions, where by clicking on this, we can define attributes around some form of dimension.
Hey, I am Alexei, mechanical engineer at Agile Robots, and I'm going to show you how to classify qualified components for certification on 3D Experience platform. And I'm going to add component, a motor, in the library. So I need to click on Add Existing, then I go to Search. In the search, I type my name of a component. So now I have several components here, and I go OK. So they are going to be added. I think it went from the guide tool. Well, so they are all added. So now I have two options how to put their properties that I actually going to use later, which I'm going to use later for classification. So here I can select directly from the list. So I need to select the component, and then I can put here, let's say, diameter. So the length of the stator is 30 millimeters, and then there is a prepared drop-down list where I can put motor coil winding. I could say it's delta connection. The same way, the same information can be put also using the icon of information here on the right side. There I need to go to classifications. Here I can fill in all of the properties which I actually need. So this could be then, let's say 60 for now, and then winding could be R. So the platform should take all of this information. Now I'm going to show you how to search with advanced search in the platform. So here I click on the advanced search button, then here I select my desired parameters, which is length of the stator equals to, now it's suitable, 30 millimeters. So for now we have one motor which has 30 millimeters length of the stator. So now I'm going to drag and drop it to my engineering library. So now you can see the frameless motor was added to my library, and now I'm going to visualize it in 3D Play. So with this classification approach, I can reuse the components from my library.